Welcome to the Freesurfer tutorial. This is a practical tutorial to get hands-on experience with Freesurfer. In this tutorial, you will listen to instructions and implement them on the Linux virtual workspace of the university. Go to vlwp.rug.nl. Log in with your student credentials for the University of Groningen. You will also need the second authentication code. Click on Create a new desktop or custom session. Then click on Create a new virtual desktop. You may need to click Yes a couple of times, and then your desktop will appear. Are you in? Great! Now let's go find the files related to this tutorial. Right-click on the desktop to open the File Explorer, and then click on Open in New Window. Navigate to this folder. Here you find a file called Freesurfer Workshop 1 Transcript and Tutorial Code. When you have to type code, it is easy to make errors. So this file has all the code you need. You will just copy the code from here to the command line so that you can run Freesurfer.
Sorry, what? Command line? What is that?
Oh, yes. The command line. We will talk about it next. Now that you have everything you need, we will dig right into it.